president we had ruled over 10 regions. They don't do analysis, they don't do research, they don't know how to think, they don't know how to process stuff. Because when you say Ghana for your free BB headline, into read the headline. Me say it if I'm will be like free say. Say Ghana na and yet there are 10 regions in Ghana, namely Volta, Greater Accra, Eastern Region, Western Region, Central Region, Kumasi Region, the Ashanti Region, Northern, Upper East, Upper West, Bono Region, Bono half region, near Kadebi. South Social Studies in the term. And then you can't regions of Ghana. You didn't see and ya baku regions and closer to what was there. I can't for pay. Nanka, we have created the same region as we came to meet it for all these years. You come and sit there and ask where the money is. Oti region, big up yourself. He apologized to Nanado. Some kind of say Nana call or apologize. Say, "Oh my, sorry, so man to amano." But this time, my baby build here, they know what to do. Now, than Nanado I say. Ya wa hemfo ahemfo etu ye nan akọ Nanado ho akoda Nanado ase say why ya kwan why ye nsu amaye. Emi ya wa hemfo so a wo na head ni na pro na gbadwu na mo ni sa no oba na emu bon papa e ma na ya amukọ kisi no mo obi anka ni de bon anka sa because one anka sa ne se be no ho bon naturally what you say oba na wanunum na kwasi age o so wote ho NDC fo ma na ni yewu wo ye nden a yewu etre chimbai ni anware mu no cause ya mo hu se mo no mo mpe fresh boys mo pe jimi fo a sebe e be ba betena kasa kata de se moa woman na obeden obekwa support you na muma minka asem nkira mo wo sorry a yes attacks on media yen hwa de ya papa kwaku baako ya papa kwasi prat anyone ya journalist ya Tony and enforce no one no a wo ma betwa buko nyina no they were made to work with the system. Who were you to challenge the government at that time? Na Ekufuado kofa bai de bi ameka me papa ya ba bone Kufu apenso or say oh there be let us repeal the criminal libel law. Mame yenyi samra na enu nti emma journalist for entumi nka abanyanim entumi nka bone aban na ye no yenyi free ho na emma journalist ni freedom na ontumi nkasa tie aban na ono hwehwe mra se wontumi nkasa ne how emfa aban ho no tio ono na free so ema foforo aba foforo ne ba yo so no de opese media adwuma no edimu edikina opese ochio donko afrifa wonya sebe de opese woka no oya popular kakranti monja no na onkasa party na wo mumbom sebe let's say anka odwanfunu afrifa no ebeka say wonu modo media for no onu mo nhihye mra untumi mfa nkanasem esi Ghana eye life. We are not here to lie to nobody. We come to give you nothing and nothing but the fact. Criminal libel law was repealed to 2001. 2001 while His Excellency and oh me mpesa anya man pachomo fan chairman say bibia dem.
Oh yes, with them clear.
2001 and Sabi His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa no ya Attorney General oka say said ye be ya ye media for ebetumi akokasa na ye mfa shit bombs enko bomb ye fie e ya kobisa kwaku baako woni wan na wakokasa Rollins sekọ ye kosoa adebuganom utie ye kofa adebuganom aba ni ye beku ni ye tutwa mu nketenkete sesa akode ni jiwa according to Adoma Kunya Meche retired San ye kun san crofo no ye twitwa wo mu te said dia sebe ye de omo koye chinchinga sa akode ado. Yes, you go and read your history. Ye kun ye twitwa ye mu nketen jiwa no enti sa we ye jiwa family na nde wo say NDC ana we aboa. So we ye jiwa na wo support san crofo na nyanse ni utrim because onipa na wo support no ono no ku wo shining star. Onipa na wati NDC ene muku mu hofo no ono no ku mu shining stars. No, we are not going to hold our tongue. Nobody should message me private. We going all out. If they are going to allow these cocoons and these fools to fool on media, we would also come and sit on social media, gather a few people, and fool and go away. We will all gather here, fool and go away. Because when we say Jimmy and Ghana for pet, about them semno e di atemno, the emfenyanse bi amano, and no ye tuguso. Enti ye de be mamu more. Ye be mamu more. Because mo mu bia ansem me say me nko one met me akom ni na bom ye be gina mic ho wo mu ntumi make sense da me. And I'm not bragging. Me say all those communicators no who are free folk bobia and so why or him ba why or him about say Jimmy phone ni na Eric J Sami Jamfi kasa mo ani ni na agu mo mame one mic pe. All I need is 30 minutes. I'll describe all of them. I'll paint all of them. They can never talk again. Anybody that wants to try, put your money on it and let me show you how things are done. Put your money on it and let me show you. Because I will be coming with facts. They will be coming with conjectures. And this is Shamra. Sa buwe bi ti sekatete free force o dwan funu free fa no and sesa wo ye den wo tena radio so. NDC for Shamra say obi ti say Caleb Kudo say wan ni city news for ni bebre no ye hu hia say ye ba news so. NDC for Shamra say UTV for presenters ni bi no emfa so ni say ye de omo tena ko so omo kan sempa. And at the omo kan kura bo ye ntiase ye. Ye den na kwakubu aheba sebe me interview. Na ye ni na ya ba debate. Yes, you can inflation. Kwakubu ahian can inflation ade ba kupo. The all can say and o many more heading. Ekufu adon fanto o many more heading. Ekufu adon fanto. Kwaku yes inflation kwaku nka bida. And so your deputy communication officer NDC. And that is the party you people chant for. Media for am organ and then me be some questions stay. Brana Rollins ne NDC for hono. How many of you were even bold enough to even come on radio? Moka ozu bempa. Abua papon. Go down and more radio so you ready na do mahama maka case downstairs a channel. NDC a pencil. Ubeba radio swap the case any how call. NDC. Say what better radio at the penny attempt now call. I be second Japan. One more crowd no more BBD. One more no more BBD. Ask them what they went through with the media away, trying to come to the media to even criticize the government. Yeah, what journalists for one more year because of in some one more cocaine and you first time I see you, transfer, Atland and you yeah, your referee system. No, Yakofe being 77 more didn't fan chairman. A being tank ma. Na ya can't trust and wish I would have more pie. And yes, I had the bean the best shoot too. I said bomb. Now Empire the bean, I a bomb. At the blast or die. Ghana from UFC. Ghana journalism for have you guys forgotten so soon or is the fact that most of you are not qualified to be journalists?